Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean a fresh milk module attached to any Coffee for Life machine. The machine we have here on this side is the EC Plus. It's the exact same cleaning process for this side of the machine as in the Grande video that is elsewhere on this website. But we're specifically going to look at how to clean on a daily basis the milk module. So if we go to this side of the machine, open the door, this is where the 4 litre milk container is held. So we'll pull that towards us and you'll see the tube here, lift that through, giving it a shake and leave that within the fridge. Set the milk container aside. Now I have here a container with cold water and some detergent that you must use on a daily basis. So if we open that, just fill it into the cap and pour that into the water. Once we've done that, we put the tube that the milk feeds through into the container. Now just leave that there. We go to the other machine. Open the door here. We take out the orange key, enter it into the centre of the machine, which will then power this part back up. Now it will take a little while to go through that process.